Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan and today we'll be sharing with you what is a value ladder. All right, understanding this value ladder will really help you to grow and scale your e-commerce business. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome. All right, this channel is all about helping e-commerce entrepreneurs to build a subscription business. If you are part of my community, it's always good to see you back. All right, so let's dive into today's topic right now. All right, today we'll be sharing with you what is a value ladder. All right, so a value ladder is simply a range of products or services that are planned with the purpose of increasing in value and price. All right, so what do I mean by that? I'm going to give you a few examples so that you guys can understand this concept better. All right, so let's look at example number one, a value ladder of a dentist. All right, so let's say if I'm a reputable dentist, all right, and let's talk about teeth cleaning. All right, so typically, how much does it cost to actually clean your teeth? All right, in Singapore, it costs about $80 to $120. All right, $80 to $120 to actually clean your teeth. All right, so but let's say if I'm going to run this campaign using the value ladder, all right, I'll probably ask myself, right, how much does it cost to actually clean a teeth? Let's say it's $80 to $120. What I can do is I can probably run a promotion online. All right, I can say something like this. Hey guys, it's our 8th anniversary and we're gonna have a promotion where you can come to our clinic to clean your teeth for just $8. All right, is this an attractive offer? Yes or no? Is this an attractive offer? Comment below. Is this an attractive offer? All right, I'm a reputable clinic. All right, and it's our 8th anniversary, and today if you clean our teeth it's only $8. All right, it's an attractive offer. Now some of the people, they might take up this offer. All right, and when they come to this clinic, right, and we actually clean up their teeth, all right, and the service is good, right, everything is fantastic. All right, and all right, then of course, let's say the patient come to the clinic and we realize that the patient has the teeth is actually yellowish. All right, what can we do? We can probably ask the patient, hey, do you smoke or do you drink coffee? All right, the patient will say, oh, I don't, right? But after that, you can feedback and say that, hey, because I realized that your teeth are getting yellowish, would you like to have teeth whitening as well? All right, most patients will take up the offer, all right, and that's where you can actually upsell the client. Or for example, when you get the clients to come down and clean their teeth and you realize that probably their teeth are a little bit crooked, right? And that's where you can propose to them to say that, hey, would you like to actually put up braces, all right, or even redo your retainers, all right, to actually make sure that your teeth are straight again. All right, most people, if they really enjoy your service, all right, they will probably take up the offer, and that's where you can probably make more, right? Because when you put up a braces in Singapore, it costs about 4,000 plus, right? And that's where you actually make up a lot of your revenue, right? So this is how I would run if I'm actually I will run the value ladder if I'm a dentist. All right, so I hope that you guys understand this concept. All right, so let's look at another example. All right, chiropractor. All right, chiropractor. Value ladder of a chiropractor. Okay, so let's say if you are having back aches, and like same thing, I'll tell you that, hey, this year is our 8th anniversary, and you come to our clinic to do for a massage. It only costs $8. All right, in Singapore, let's say if you want to do a massage for 1 hour, it costs about $60 or $60 to $70, right? But say it's our 8th anniversary, you're having a backache and it's only $8, right? So most people will take up the offer, they will come for the massage, all right? But I'll tell the patient and say that, hey, you know, this massage is actually a temporary relief. All right, if you want to solve your long-term problem, your neck ache or your back ache, do you want to consider doing adjustments, all right, over a few months? All right, that's where you can actually sell the package, and this is where you can actually make money. All right, so let's say a typical adjustment costs about $4,000. That's where you can actually cover your ad costs and make a lot more. All right, so most people, what they do is they actually charge a lot of money upfront. All right, that will actually deter the client. What you want to do is you want to come up with an irresistible offer. All right, you want to come up with an irresistible offer for people to take advantage. Try out your services. All right, let them have a chance to test you out. You make them happy, and that's where you can continue to upsell them other services. All right. So I hope that you guys understand the concept of value ladder and hope that this will really help you in your business. All right, if you like videos like this, do consider to click on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Every day we'll be launching new videos like this to help you to grow and scale your e-commerce business. Now, some of you have been asking me, hey, Jonathan, how do I continue to work together with you? For those of you that are interested to work together with me, all you need to do is to fill up the application form and our team will reach out to you. All right, so I hope that you guys love this video and I'll see you guys in the next video.